Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to stop programs running in the background windows. So if you also want to stop programs running in the background windows, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. What you have to do is click on the menu icon that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to see several options over here. You can also see the several icons. What you have to do is click on the settings icon that you can see right over here. Now settings will be opened. You can see several settings options over here. Find the option for privacy, click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. Look at left. You can see several options over here. Scroll down. Under the app permission section you'll be able to find the option for background apps. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here this kind of interface will be opened up. You can see all the background apps over here. You can stop the program individually. Simply toggle the button right next to the program that you want to stop. Or you can also stop all the programs overall. Simply toggle this button that you can see right over here. Now after that, all the programs running in the background will stop. So that is how you stop programs running in the background windows. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.